guys, it's day 8 today and I just slept the whole day. I just woke up and I feel super duper exhausted again, just like the symptoms of day 6. So I'm gonna compile day 8 to day 10 because I'm really not feeling well again and I have to rest. Hello everyone! So today is actually January 16 and it's been my 14th day ever since I tested positive for COVID. And I just want to inform you everyone about my recovery journey, and I wanna be able to help those who are going through it right now. And for those who want to know the more in-depth details of how I recovered in every single day, you can check out my older vlogs. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So first, let's discuss about the time that I tested positive for COVID. So it was after first day, I immediately quarantined myself, and then the highest peak of COVID is the 1st to 5th day. So that's where you're gonna feel all the symptoms. So here's the graph that I searched from Insider, and here, as you can see, like 1st to 5th day is the most at peak the virus is in your body, and then on the 14th day you're really supposed to test negative. If you try to test, then for sure the virus in your body is already low. So aside from this graph, I also searched this another graph of isolation from CNN Philippines, so you can also follow this. Like today, as I said, is my 14th day. So ever since I tested negative on my 9th day, I've been going out of the room, but I still wear masks around the house. So that has been the protocol inside their house. And also, I wanna mention that if you test positive, here are the things that you actually need: an oximeter, a thermometer, a kettle, because drinking hot water helps a lot more than drinking just a normal temp water, because it soothes your throat and everything. The Omicron symptoms are all in the throat and the nose, so hot water really helps soothe everything. And you'll need to eat from disposable utensils, such as the spoon, the bowl, and everything else, even your mug. And make sure that you clean your own utensils if you're gonna leave a bowl in your room, or like if you're always using a cup, always clean it, as in always clean it. And you need alcohol and Lysol. These two things are the most important in keeping your own room clean. So what I do is I really clean my room every day, no matter how tired I am. You need to spray your sheets and the floor, your restroom. You need to clean everything with alcohol and Lysol. Like first, like scrub everything with soap and like water, and then after, you really need to spray alcohol and Lysol in every single thing, even your bed especially. And when you cough, you have to use tissue and then throw the tissue afterwards. And always wash your hands. Like I always wash my hands whenever I'm gonna eat, whenever I'm gonna do something, whenever I take my medicine, I always wash my hands. And if you want to see all the brands that I use, just watch my previous vlogs because you can see all the details there. Okay, so that's what you have to do when you get COVID. And then the next thing is my medicine suggestions are actually vitamin D, vitamin C, and zinc. These three things you have to drink every single day because it really helps a lot. Other than that, you have to treat your symptoms just like a normal flu. So if you have a sore throat, you have to drink medicine for sore throat, such as Strepsils, or like what I use are throat spray. And then for your so just treat everything like a normal flu and treat it every single day so you'll get better. And then what helped me a lot is taking antibiotics. But this antibiotics, you have to have your doctor's prescription. So this is the antibiotics, and I only took it for 5 days, and I saw immediate results with this rather than taking the Lianhua. So everyone's talking about the Lianhua, but for me, you have to research about it. As you can see, I still have a raspy voice from the COVID. So that's the only thing left now, but I'm negative. So yeah, for those who are asking if there are any other symptoms, I still have the raspy voice, but I don't cough. Okay, so going back to the Lianhua, you have to do your research before taking this, because number one, I took it because everyone was telling me that if you have COVID, especially that I grew up in a Chinese household and we all know about that medicine, they were saying to take it, right? But according to my research, if the only time that you can actually drink Lianhua is if you have the symptoms of your body heating up, meaning you get fever, you have super bad cough, like what else, like your nose is super congested and stuff. But in my case, I only had mild symptoms, and all my symptoms are opposite of your body being hot, and I got chills. So when you have chills, they don't suggest eating Lianhua. I'm gonna insert the video, the link of the video down below regarding the Lianhua studies of a doctor and a reporter talking about it. So you can go ahead and watch that video before taking that medicine. But I highly suggest just to take the antibiotic. Yes, ask your doctor for prescription if you can take this medicine. And there are many people who are messaging me and asking me if I took other medicines other than everything that's mentioned in my vlogs. I didn't took the Minopavir, or there's one more medication for COVID, but I didn't take any of those. I highly suggest all the medicines that I took plus this antibiotic, and number 3, rest well. Sleeping helps a lot, because the first to 5th day, like, I didn't sleep well. I kept waking up and I had a super hard time sleeping. But on the 6th day, I forced myself to take naps and like sleep earlier than the usual, and that's where I started healing. I really felt it. So sleep a lot, and if you can't sleep, you can see on my day 4, I think I took melatonin just so I can sleep. It does really help. So I take 6 mg, and you can see in that vlog I also left a doctor talking about melatonin, taking melatonin while you have COVID. So yeah, I think that is everything that I wish for everyone to know. And for those who are still suffering from COVID, it'll go away and you'll be better soon. Just stay strong, and of course, do the effort every single day so that you'll feel better right away. And I forgot that, yes, I do like soak myself in the sun every morning. It also helps, I think, because every time I soak myself in the sun, like, all my nose doesn't get congested. Like, I'll be able to blow my nose better than not soaking myself in the sun. And my aunt told me to soak the back rather than the front of your body. So like, maybe lay down from your back and then just soak in the sun. And if you have any more questions, I would be gladly answering them. Just post in the comments down below. And thank you for everyone who has been wishing me well, and I hope this update makes everyone have hope, and hopefully I was able to help a lot of you on going through this. So yeah, that's all. Bye.